Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today we are talking about the something that often overlooked in home interiors, the switchboard area. Yes, that plain white or grey wall with switchboards can actually become a stunning focal point in your home. Thanks to switchboard wall art painting designs, there you can see there are the beautiful wall art painting designs around the switchboard. Switchboards art is the creative painting of artwork done around the electrical switchboards on walls, often blending them beautifully into the wall designs or turning them into a part of larger mural or theme. It instantly uplifts a dull wall and adds an artistic vibe to interiors. It in, it instantly uplifts a dull walls and add an artistic vibe to your interiors, whether it's a living room, bedroom, kitchens, and it also hides the imperfections like cracks, patchwork, or uneven surface around the switchboards. Creative art can make smartly mask them. You can match the art with your room's theme, modern, traditional, abstract, or even quirky. And wall painting around the switchboard is a budget-friendly way to give your space a designer look without renovating the whole wall. In the children rooms, it becomes a playful element like turning switchboards into a cartoon characters, birds, animals, or living learning shapes. With good quality paint and a little varnish or lamination, the art stays fresh and durable for years. So there are some tips before you paint, like always use a non-conductive paint and maintain the safe distance from electrical wirings. Choose waterproof or washable paint for high touch areas. Hire a professional artist if you want detail or 3D effects. So next time when you look a boring switchboard, think again, a flash of creative can turn into a piece of art. A switchboard painting is beginner friendly if you follow simple steps. Always turn off the power before painting, clean the surface to remove the dust, and use a primer for a smooth finish. So apply a clear sealant to protect your art from wear and tear, and you are good to go. So whether you're going for a nature inspired look, a minimalist vibe, or something totally out of the box, switchboard painting lets you add a touch of art to an every object. It's functional, it's fun, and it's a conversation starter. So there you have it, 5 awesome reasons to try the switchboard wall art painting. It's affordable, it's stylish. Third one is a creative, fourth practical, and fifth one is easy to do. So ready to give it a shot. Grab some paint, unleash your inner artist, and transform those switchboards into something amazing. So friends, if you have any doubts or you have any queries, please ask me in the comment box below. I will love to give you all your questions answers. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification for more interior tips and ideas. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you once again.